Here's one of the biggest mistakes I see healthcare organizations make when they're talking about implementing a new technology, a new piece of software, a new digital tool, whatever it is. They have a lot of ideas around the outcomes they'd like to receive from this tool. Maybe that's what's driving the change. They really think they're going to give patients a better experience or decrease administrative burden or save money or bring in revenue. The problem is they don't really understand why they're implementing that piece of technology, that software, that tool, that platform, whatever it is. And the reality is, like, the driving reason behind implementing the technology or the tool or the solution is legitimate, right? Like, we want to save money, we want to give patients a better experience, yada, yada, yada. But I always tell people, like, the biggest reason you should be implementing any kind of technology into your organization, your practice, your hospital system even, is because of the data that it gives you and the ability to leverage that data to make decisions. So if it doesn't fit into your overall strategic goals for the organization, then there's no point in getting that piece of software, that piece of technology, that digital tool. I know that a lot of times you can get, whiz bang marketing efforts out of, we're implementing this new tool or this new platform. But the reality is that in order to achieve nearly every single one of the goals that I previously mentioned, saving money, giving patients better experience, whatever, you need to be able to track, monitor, and analyze the data that technology is giving you or will give you if you implement it in your practice. So the first question I normally ask clients when they come to me and they ask about, should I implement this technology or this platform, is, how do you see this piece of technology or the software or whatever fitting into your organization's larger strategic goals? If you don't have a clear idea of how to answer that question, then I usually push you to dig into that a little bit before you go into the weeds selecting this product or this solution or this software. Because the reality is that the larger strategic question needs to be the driving force behind the why of implementing a technology in the first place. So if you don't have a clear understanding of how this piece of technology or software is moving you towards your larger strategic goals, don't even worry about picking one yet. Go back and understand how the technology is going to fit into that larger picture of moving the needle for your organization.